Over 25 million people roughly have been diagnosed with ME, CFS, fibromyalgia, heads, POTS-related disorders over the last decade, which tracks, right? Because how long does it take for someone to get diagnosed with this condition? Well, there's usually waiting times of up to 10 years for clinics that specialize in these conditions. Until then, they're going to the GPs, to random specialists, and getting diagnosed with things like, oh, just pain, stress-related fatigue, or worse, depression, and given antidepressants, which can make things worse even in these conditions sometimes. But here's the thing, even though we now have a plethora of studies showing that these conditions are connected to immune, nervous system, and connective tissue dysfunctions, actual physical dysfunctions, they are still largely by the population just thought to be like, oh, it's just in your mind. Despite there being over 25 million examples of this not being a mental issue. But here's the accountability, right? That's partly our issue because we treat it as mostly as a mental issue until about 10 or 15 years ago. And that problem is still made worse by the fact that we still don't really understand these conditions very well, and nor do we know really how to completely treat them. Which by and large means that over 25 million people in the US and UK alone still have to face so much stigma and discrimination by the wider population over a condition that is very real, but so completely misunderstood and understood. And we need to try and change that.